टुडे इज अ स्पेशल डे। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैंने कुछ उखाड़ा है, बिकॉज देर आर stupid things that I have written. This is the list that I was talking about, and maybe I'm just doing fun. क्योंकि दुनिया तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी नहीं करने वाली है.
Yes, these are the standards.
Happy birthday to you.
Explain करते तो वो funny नहीं होता.
Exactly. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Mayuri and I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but I am back once again, and this time I'll be very sincere and try to be consistent. I'll try my best. Today is a special day. This is a special vlog because it's my 20th birthday. I don't know how I feel about 20 as such. Like, I feel okay about it, but it's definitely the end of my teenage years, which is weird, very weird. But okay, it's fine. Let me show you guys something. I took a shower. मैं बाहर आई and this was kept for me. It says happy birthday mom and it's so cute. मेरी मम्मी ने रखा था. And whenever somebody does something cute for me ना, मुझे बस इसको फ्रेम करने का मन करता है. बस फ्रेम करके रखूँ जिंदगी भर, उसे कुछ भी ना होने दूँ. पर obviously मैं तो ये अकेले खाऊंगी शायद. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'll be journaling because I feel like it's very important to start my day by doing something very positive, and what's better than journaling. In fact, I'll be manifesting something. I'm more of like a visual manifester, but this year onwards I don't know, मुझे लिखने का बड़ा शौक चढ़ा है and I'm loving it. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैंने कुछ उखाड़ा है, पर but definitely there's this one specific thing जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत अचीव हुआ है. I don't know how to explain it, like no nazar, but yeah, so I think I should do this more often. I don't know if it was the power of my manifestation or some external factors, but whatever हुआ है बस मैं खुश हूँ. So I will be journaling. Then I also going to make a bucket list, like the things that I want to achieve in my life. In fact, I've already made it when I was a kid, when I was very little, and मैंने जब वो पढ़ा मुझे भाई हंसी आई इतनी, because there are stupid things that I have written, and the list is not like कि बस 10 चीजें लिखी है. नहीं, there are more than 20 things, 30 things or 40, I don't remember, but इतना लिखा है और इतना बकवास. But obviously इतना बकवास तो अभी मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. I am more mature now, I can say that. So I'm going to make a list again. And definitely will be adding some kiddish things as well, because it's important to not kill your inner child. Yes. So let's do it. ASMR. This is the list that I was talking about, and there are total 36 of them. उसमें से 10 ऐसे रहेंगे जो ठीक ठाक लिखे हैं मैंने, बाकी सब बकवास. Absolute bullshit that I've written. I don't know what I was thinking at that time, but it's time to refine my list and write a new one. So let's do it. इनफैक्ट मैं भूल गई थी कि मैंने ऐसा कोई लिस्ट भी बनाया था बचपन में. आई वॉच्ड दिस मूवी कॉल्ड द लाइफ लिस्ट एंड आई लव्ड इट. इट वाज ग्रेट. एंड फिर उसी से ही लाइक इंस्पायर होकर मैं अपनी पुरानी डायरी में से बस देख रही थी, एंड फिर मुझे लिस्ट मिल गई. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह शिट, आई हैड मेड इट ऑलरेडी, and I thought that I should make it again, like refine it a little bit. and today was the best day to do that. In fact, I'm also making like a playlist of songs that connect to me, that are very relatable to my life. मैं वो सारे songs का एक playlist बना रही हूँ. I don't know, maybe I'm just doing fun. Okay, so I had my lunch and अभी मैं अकेली हूँ घर पे, so I'm thinking of doing skincare. I feel like you should always do something for yourself on your birthdays. अगर तुम अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करोगे तो बाकी की दुनिया तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी नहीं करने वाली है. You should be for yourself. You should do something for yourself. By the way, guys, the book that I was reading is Funny Story by Emily Henry. मैं इतना आगे अभी तक पहुंची नहीं हूँ. I'm just on chapter 6, so I can't tell anything right now कि कैसा है कैसा नहीं है. But I do find it interesting. So let's see.
नहीं, तेरा दूसरा निकाल. ही ही. Don't fear. Yes. Yes.
मुझे कुछ लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
This is for Andheri local actually.
There's something more which I'm really excited about. The standards, guys.
These are the oh, खाली पेज खोली तो अच्छा. These are the standards. Yes, these are the standards. थोड़ा उल्टा खोल रही है, आगे देख. Did you skip the main part? Oh my god. Turn.
Oh.
So I have made a playlist which I'll be sending you. These are the songs you should listen to for your 20 years of your life.
You have great music taste. I know that. It's going to be something I don't know.
What?
बैलेंस हो रहा है. टैक्स से
Smile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mayuri. Happy birthday to you. Yay! मेरे को भी लांच लेना है.
मैंने भी लिया. लास्ट नहीं हो रहा.
वापस करेंगे नहीं. बहुत अच्छा था मेरा जोक.
हॉरिबल.
मेरे को भी लांच लेना है.
अब नहीं हो रहा.
तो इसलिए मैंने एक जोक मारा क्योंकि मैम ने एक प्लांट लिया है, स्नेक प्लांट, और मैंने बोला सांप क्यों पाल रही है? और
जोक
record
explain
नहीं
करते
हुआ।
हैं जोक एक्सप्लेन करते तो वो फनी नहीं होता.
Exactly.
So yeah, don't be like her.
I'm very funny looking.
Bye bye teens. Oh, bye teenage love. मिला ही नहीं.
बातें जरूरी है, तेरा मिलना भी जरूरी, मैंने मिटाई ये जो तेरी मेरी दूरी.
मैं जीत गई। मैंने पहले खत्म किया, मैं जीत गई।